Okay, I'm on my way to meet up with Glover International and um, Chainsaw Bob and Trinith. I'm not 100% sure Trinith is going to ride with us or not, so we'll find out. But I'm just, I think, just a couple miles away from our meetup spot in Suches, Georgia. This road is Georgia Highway 60, and oh my gosh, it is incredibly twisty. It's straight. This is straight compared to what it was a few miles back. I've been away from this road for about a year, and I didn't remember it being that twisty back there. It was just extreme. It was like the tail of a dragon. Now this is plenty curvy, but it's not like it was back there. Which is great. It's really technical. I mean, it's fun, but you got to be careful. You got to have your head in the game, or you'll end up going over the guardrail. I'm still a little rusty. I've only ridden around town a few times. This is the first time I've been on a road like this year. So I'm a little slow to change gears and just everything. I'm hoping it's not too far to Suches. I think I'm only a couple miles from. Well, there's that lake is a landmark that tells me I'm very close to Suches now. Pretty lake. All right. Should be less than a mile from there. Here we are. This is the Wolf Pen Gap Country Store, and this is where we're meeting up. Yeah, I see a couple motorcycles. Hey. You must be old Chainsaw.
That's me, buddy.
It's good to meet you. Sorry I'm a little late.
It's all right. I like that. Is that your nickname, old Chainsaw? It's Chainsaw Bob. Is that really? Yeah, made peanut butter fudge. I love it. Her mom made it. Her mom made it.
That's probably one of the best nicknames I've ever heard. I turn my camera off. Well, yeah. This is a drift ghost.
Okay. A lot of people see